Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best $50 gift card is probably one of the most versatile and thoughtful presents you can give, offering the recipient the freedom to choose exactly what they want, whether it's a coveted gadget, a stylish piece of clothing, a delicious meal, or an experience they've been dreaming of, making it an ideal solution for any occasion and any personality on your gift list. Number 5. $50 PlayStation Store Gift Card. Get a $50 PlayStation Store gift card. It's your key to accessing a vast library of games, add-ons, and more. Use it to purchase any digital content available on the PlayStation Store. From the latest games to exciting add-ons, it's all here. Discover everything you want to play. This card gives you access to the largest collection of PlayStation content available. Want to enhance your gaming experience? You can use these funds to contribute towards a PlayStation Plus membership. Give the gift of choice. This digital code is perfect for any gamer looking to expand their digital collection. What we like? This is a digital code that gives you access to a vast library of PlayStation content. If you're a gamer looking to expand your collection of games, add-ons, or even your PlayStation Plus membership, this is the perfect choice. It's instant gratification for the dedicated PlayStation enthusiast. What people say. This gift card is a great option for any occasion. The recipient can choose exactly what they want from a wide selection of items. It's a convenient and thoughtful gift that's always appreciated. Number 4. Visa Physical Gift Card $50. Get ready to give the perfect gift. This $50 Visa gift card comes ready to use right out of the box. This card is for a one-time purchase with no hidden fees after you buy it. Remember, it's not reloadable and cannot be used at ATMs or for cashback. Don't worry about expiration dates. Any remaining funds on your card will be available indefinitely. If needed after the valid through date, simply contact customer service for a replacement. To check your balance securely, always type the exact website address from your card directly into your browser. Avoid search engines to prevent landing on fake sites. Never share your card details with anyone you don't know or trust. If you suspect a fraudulent website or phishing attempt, call cardholder services immediately at 1-888-524-1283. If your card is lost or stolen, report it immediately by calling 1-888-524-1283. This will help us cancel it quickly to protect your funds. You can use this card across the US wherever Visa debit cards are accepted, including online purchases. Enjoy the flexibility it offers. What we like? This is a physical Visa gift card that can be used almost anywhere Visa debit cards are accepted, both online and in-store. If you need a versatile gift that offers broad spending options and has no expiration date, this is an excellent pick. It's ideal for general-purpose gifting or for someone who appreciates flexibility. What people say. This gift card is a great option for any occasion. The recipient can choose exactly what they want from a wide selection of products. It's a convenient and thoughtful gift that is sure to be appreciated. Number 3. MasterCard $50 Physical Gift Card. Get your MasterCard gift card, shipped active and ready for immediate use. It's a convenient way to give or spend. This card is non-reloadable and cannot be used at ATMs. Your funds will not expire, and if any balance remains after the valid through date, you can easily get a replacement. Use it securely in the US everywhere debit MasterCards are accepted, both online and in stores. Always verify websites before entering card details. Be aware of scams. Never share your gift card details with unknown individuals. Protect your information and your funds. If your card is lost or stolen, notify MasterCard immediately at 1-833-791-7288. Have your gift card number ready when you call. A one-time purchase fee applies at checkout, with no additional fees after that. Please note, this item is not eligible for refund, resale, or return. What we like? This is a physical MasterCard gift card, offering broad acceptance wherever MasterCard debit cards are taken, online and in person. If you're seeking a flexible gift solution with no expiry, this is a strong contender. It's a great option for those who value the convenience and widespread usability of the MasterCard network. What people say. The card was delivered on time and in perfect condition. It's a great gift for any occasion, and the recipient can choose exactly what they want. Number 2. 50 Ways to Eat Healthy Chicken Recipes. Discover a world of flavorful and healthy chicken recipes. This collection offers unique ways to prepare your favorite poultry. Elevate your meals with wholesome ingredients and exciting new tastes. You'll find satisfying options for every palate. Tired of the same old chicken? Explore 50 innovative recipes that will inspire your inner chef and impress your guests. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, these recipes are designed for success. Enjoy easy-to-follow instructions for delicious results. From quick weeknight dinners to impressive weekend feasts, find the perfect chicken dish for any moment. Make mealtime exciting again. What we like. This is a unique cookbook focused on healthy chicken recipes with a playful twist. If you're a culinary adventurer looking for creative and healthy ways to prepare chicken, this book is for you. It's perfect for home cooks who want to spice up their meal routine with something a little different. What people say. The gift card is a great option for when you don't know what to get someone. It's a versatile gift that can be used for a variety of purchases. The recipient can choose exactly what they want, making it a thoughtful present. Number 1. Amazon.com Gift Card Pack. Introducing the Amazon.com Gift Card Pack. It's the ideal way to give the gift of choice, conveniently packaged. Each gift card is presented inside a charming mini envelope. It's a simple yet elegant way to present your thoughtful gift. Enjoy the freedom of a gift card with no hidden fees and no expiration date. It can be used whenever the recipient is ready. Please note that all gift card sales are final. This ensures that the value is preserved for the recipient to enjoy. This versatile card can be redeemed towards millions of items storewide at Amazon.com. Let them choose exactly what they want. What we like. This is a pack of 10 Amazon.com gift cards, offering great value and convenience. If you're looking for a way to easily distribute gifts or manage your own spending across a wide range of products, these are ideal. They are perfect for stocking stuffers, party favors, or for keeping on hand for any occasion. What people say. The gift card is a convenient way to give a present without having to choose the exact item. It can be used for a wide variety of products, making it a versatile gift option. The recipient can select exactly what they want, ensuring they receive something they will truly enjoy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.